Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, I'm out here in the car dealership or whatever. I'm trying to come see all the beautiful cars out here. I'm specifically looking at the Camaro. As y'all can see, it's right here. They got a GT. They got the new Hondas and stuff like that out here. They got a lot of stuff out here though, but I'm specifically coming to look at this right here. Y'all get to get the rims or whatever. These cool. It's I seen the car on cars.com. They said they've been sent out here for maybe like a week or two or something like that. So hold on, I gotta learn how to use the key. How I use the key. I don't know how to. I don't know how to unlock it, y'all. Hold on. Unlock button. Oh, I unlocked it. Hold on, y'all. I unlocked it, y'all. Hold on. There you go. All right. So we're gonna get into the inside of this thing right here. Ooh. So y'all got the regular, you know, door thing or whatever. You got the. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. This is exactly why I wanted the this is exactly why right here why I wanted the
Oh, they reminded me.
Dang, what I'm trying to say. This is exactly why I wanted the 2016s and up, because of the wheel that it come with. So let me see how I feel inside of this thing right here. You feel me? It's super cooped up. You hear me?
Oh, there's a couple.
Y'all see that? We got the modes right here for what your car want to be on.
Oh. Like park and.
No, this the mode for tour, sport, and something else. Oh. And then they got this covered. I don't know why, but this for like driving.
Or does it light up?
I don't know. Let me see y'all. Can I cut it on? Hold on. If they tell me to cut it on, we finna see y'all. Hold on. Finna see.
It light up.
Oh yeah. Y'all see it right here. Oh yeah, it do light up. So you will see right here where it got the park, reverse, neutral, drive. You got the yeah, these five right here. Oh, they come. What they come out?
Oh, you twist it. Wait,
oh.
They come out.
Oh, they do come out, I think.
Oh no, wait.
And then I think it got. Oh my goodness. I think it got Apple CarPlay. Hold on.
I like it.
It got
really, see?
Yeah, regular, you know, regular little air vents. You see that right there? Hold on, how I cut it off? Cut it. Oh, I don't know how to cut it off.
I'm trying to tell you.
Oh, that's to turn it down. But how do I? Oh wait. Oh. Oh. Hold on, stop. Yours is to cut that down. Mm-hmm. Mine is just we just gonna keep it right here so they can hear. But yeah, this how the dashboard look. Y'all see it got 160 on the dash. I wish it had a sunroof. That would have been nice. But I could see exactly why they say like the blind spots, because honestly, I can't really see in here. Yeah, it's like so super low. It's super low, but like I'm telling y'all, I feel like since it's low, the speed and the, you feel me, like everything about it, I think I just like. As y'all can see, no back seat, literally no back seat at all. We're gonna get out so we can hear the what they call them?
Motor?
The exhaust. We're gonna get out so we can hear the exhaust real quick. It's kind of quiet, but yeah, it's kind of quiet. It's not really much to it, but I just love the fact that, you feel me, I love this type of car. It's definitely something that I would want to drive. As y'all can see, got the black wheels right here. I might have changed out the things on it. Regular hood. Y'all know how them come already. But if y'all think I should get the car or whatever, y'all can see it got the fin on it. If y'all think I should get the car or whatever, make sure y'all comment, man. Like this it right here.
This all he been talking about, y'all.
Right. So I'm saying, like, I really been looking exactly at a car just like this. I'm willing to try to trade my car in actually before we come down here and get it. But it's getting fixed right now. But it's alright though. But like I said, the GT cool, but this most definitely is what I would want to pull up in. I always like Mustangs, you feel me? So yeah, we're gonna try to see what we can do about that. But yeah, that's about all for the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and we out.